Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Mehtab. Do you want to watch TikTok videos without internet? In this video, I will show you a simple trick to watch TikTok offline videos, no data, no Wi-Fi needed. First of all, you open the TikTok app and then click the side three-line option. Here you can see the settings and privacy option, so click on it. And here you can see the offline videos option, so click on it. Here you can see the setting option, so click on it. Here you can see the downloading is starting. Okay, you click the download or Wi-Fi only, so open this option and click the offline videos option. Here you select the videos downloading number 50 videos 100 videos 150. I select the 200 videos. ठीक है? Okay, here you can see the downloading is starting offline videos. So if your internet connection is offline, you can easily watch offline videos. Comment below which TikTok creators videos you love watching offline, so that's how you can easily watch TikTok videos offline without wasting your data. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with your TikTok friends.